Well, hello. So, here we're going to talk a little bit about stress today. This is by request, actually. We're taking, requests by phone here for your video blogs. If you ever want me to talk about something, feel free to email or call in and, ask us to talk about a specific topic. Anyway, so apparently with a lot of people going back to school, kids going back to school, students and university going back to school, we're seeing quite a few problems related to stress popping up recently, a lot of emotional stress that's occurring and having an effect on the physical body. So I wanted to talk about a couple of things. First of all, I wanted you to know that in Chinese medical theory, the heart is known as the king of emotions, like the king. In other words, it's always involved when the emotions go astray, whether because of the emotions going astray the heart is affected, or also if the heart wasn't doing well, it could cause the emotions to go astray. I guess one could say that in any situation a person should have an appropriate emotional response. If someone has an ongoing problem, for instance anxiety, depression, feeling frustrated, angering easily for extended periods of time, that would not be considered appropriate to the circumstances. So, given your stress levels, you want to make sure that you're having the body function as high as levels so that you can feel emotionally calm at all times. The liver is also very involved with a person's, what I guess you should say, maybe adapting to stress. If the liver is functioning at a high level, the person will be able to adapt to the stresses of life, and they will be able to overcome the stresses that happen. As a matter of fact, when we're working with people, as we see the function increasing in their bodies, there's this really wonderful phenomenon that many people report, which is suddenly feeling calm when they used to feel stressed in certain circumstances, for instance at work or with family or what have you. I wanted to read you a quick reference. This is from a book called Chinese Herbal Medicine Formulas and Strategies. There's an author, his name is Dan Bensky. Anyway, this is a widely known text in Chinese medical theory. This is from page 147. And it kind of explains the phenomena. It says here, the name of this style of treatment is derived from the first chapter of a particular book called Rambling Without a Destination, which includes many stories about soaring above a restricted worldview. Similarly, treating in this way releases constraint and encourages the free flow of blood and energy through the liver, allowing for open-mindedness and a free or rambling spirit. Another interpretation from this ancient text is talks about the concept of reducing constrained circulation and also shaking constrained blood. So when one treats in this particular way, dealing with the liver and dealing with circulation overall, with the intention of having the body able to adapt to the stresses of life, it just releases this constraint that so many people feel and causes the body to relax. And naturally then one would feel as if they were on vacation. Imagine yourself sitting on the beach in I suppose Tahiti on day number 4 or 5, and you have a drink with an umbrella in one hand and you're like reading a book in the other hand, and your favorite person is next to you, you're in a beach chair and the sun is going down. That's what we call relaxed and flying above a restricted worldview. I think we could agree. So anyway, if you want your liver functioning well, if you want to feel on vacation every day, feel free to give us a quick call or send us an email, and we'll give you some tips on how that can happen. Alright, thanks a lot. Make sure you go to our website. There's lots of great information on there regarding emotions and things of that nature. That's www.milwaukeeacu.com. You can go to the newsletter section in particular, and then usually there's some pretty good offers on the website you should check out. Alright, thanks a lot. Over and out.